Good morning, friends. Dance of democracy is going on. The election process is going on. Reporting from Chamaraja constituency. This is booth number 87. You can see the queue right in the morning itself. Lot of people, very enthusiastic, senior citizens. All are queued up for voting. You can see this is booth number 86. Lot of people engaged in voting. You can see the people queuing up. Even the senior citizens, they have come first and they are casted. And a lot of ladies queuing up. You can see a lot of enthusiasm going on in this election. A lot of queue in 85. This is just 7 o'clock, 7:10. You can see senior citizens showing a lot of interest in this election.
Senior citizen.
Yes. How do you feel about this election? Duty, yes. Yes. Thank you. This is Nirmala convent. One of the senior most citizen having already cast the vote. Can you show your finger, madam? Yes, that's
I am
great.
very proud that I voted. I am the third person to vote. Thank you.
And so nice, so nice. Thank you, thank you. And Dr. C Narasimhan has already voted. C Narasimhan sir, how do you feel about the voting this right in the morning itself? I think you are the first to vote. Can you show your finger, please? Nice, nice, so nice, so nice. Congratulations.
Thank you, Sharath.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. You can see the enthusiasm of the public. And we have got, I think, 6 booths here. Lovely school, wonderful corridor, lovely greenery. And this is another booth. Yeah. What is your name, please?
ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ್
Yeah,
ಮೊದಲನೇ
nice.
ವೋಟ್ ನಾನೇ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Show your finger. Yeah. Great, 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 great. This is booth number 83. A lot of voters queuing up and voting very enthusiastically. They have come all the way at, I think, 6:45 itself. At 7 o'clock, we can see such a big crowd. Madam is smiling on duty. Senior citizens also see. Lovely. And this is booth number 84. And in all the booths, we can see the queues. And senior citizens also queuing up. Lovely. All the best. Friends, this is all about the Nirmala school. A lovely school, wonderful corridor, beautiful sky, beautiful weather. All are enthusiastic. And polling agents, they are busy. The police people making all the arrangements. Perfectly arranged. 7 sharp, the polling started. And I think almost 5% polling is already done by 7:15, I think now. Still we can see the queue. What I see particularly is the senior citizens showing lot of enthusiasm in taking part in this election. And a lot of people coming. This is booth number 111. Lot of queues, both sides, both men and women. senior citizens showing lot of enthusiasm in taking part. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಮಾತ್ರ. Booth 111. So thank you friends. And this is Dr. C Sharath Kumar signing off. Have a wonderful voting day. You can see the boothing agents all outside, about 100 meters away from the campaigning point. All the agents are busy in campaigning. So thank you friends, thank you for watching the video. This is all about the dance of democracy, election process going on. Thank you.